Ta-da! Welcome to Quiz Coco. Get ready for the ultimate Would You Rather challenge. You'll face 40 fun, tricky choices and just 10 seconds to decide. Think carefully, because some of these are harder than they look. Comment your answers below and see if your friends agree with you. Ready? Would you rather have a beach day, a mountain day, or open one of these two mystery gifts? Gift 1, a trip to Disneyland. Gift 2, just a single sock. Say no one's a nine. Would you rather fly like a bird, turn invisible, or open the mystery gift? It's the power of invisibility, but only for pets. Would you rather eat pizza forever, burgers forever, or open the mystery gift? It's a lifetime supply of broccoli. Would you rather have a pet dragon, a pet unicorn, a pet lion, or open the mystery gift? It's a baby dragon that only breathes bubbles. Would you rather explore space, explore the ocean, or open the mystery gift? It's a golden trophy. Would you rather have super strength, super speed, super smarts, or open the mystery gift? It's the ability to talk to fish. Would you rather read minds, teleport anywhere, freeze time, or open the mystery gift? It's X-ray vision that only sees through Jell-O. Would you rather have it always be summer, always be winter, or open the mystery gift? It's a snowball that never melts. Would you rather ride a roller coaster, a water slide, go through a haunted house, or open the mystery gift? It's a never-ending bag of popcorn. Would you rather eat sweet snacks forever, salty snacks forever, or open the mystery gift? It's a candy that tastes like broccoli. Would you rather have a robot best friend, a talking animal best friend, or open the mystery gift? It's a robot vacuum that just follows you around. Would you rather be a superhero, a pro athlete, a rock star, or open the mystery gift? It's a cape that doesn't actually let you fly. Would you rather sleep in a blanket fort, sleep in a treehouse, or open the mystery gift? It's a blanket that's always warm. Would you rather have color-changing hair, glowing skin, sparkly freckles, or open the mystery gift? It's hair that turns green every time you lie. Would you rather go camping, stay at a fancy hotel, sleep on a boat, or open the mystery gift? It's a tent that smells like your favorite food. Would you rather own a candy store, own a toy store, or open the mystery gift? It's a never-ending gumball machine. Would you rather have unlimited pizza, unlimited ice cream, or open one of these two mystery gifts? Gift 1, a trip to space camp. Gift 2, just a rubber chicken. Would you rather ride a dragon, drive a race car, or open the mystery gift? It's a unicorn that only trots backward. rather be tiny as an ant, huge as a giant, or open the mystery gift? It's shoes that make you jump twice as high. A wombortson. Would you rather have a pet lion, a pet elephant, a pet panda, or open the mystery gift? It's a tiny elephant that fits in your pocket. Would you rather time travel to the past, time travel to the future, freeze time forever, or open the mystery gift? It's a watch that's always 5 minutes late. Why? Would you rather play video games all day, play outside all day, or open the mystery gift? It's a game console with only one game. Would you rather eat a bug, eat a spicy pepper, eat a whole lemon, or open the mystery gift? It's a lemon that's actually sweet. Would you rather wake up as a mermaid, wake up as a superhero, or open the mystery gift? It's a tail that only appears underwater. Would you rather live in a candy house, live in a chocolate house, or open the mystery gift? It's a gummy bear house that melts in the sun. Would you rather have wings like a bird, fins like a fish, claws like a tiger, or open the mystery gift? It's claws. Great for scratching, bad for typing. Would you rather control fire, control ice, or open the mystery gift? It's ice powers that only work on ice cream. Would you rather be the funniest kid, the smartest kid, the fastest kid, or open the mystery gift? It's a crown that says, kind of a big deal. Would you rather celebrate Christmas, Halloween, your birthday, or open the mystery gift? It's a gift that rewraps itself every year. Would you rather turn invisible on command, freeze time on command, or open the mystery gift? It's a remote that only pauses cartoons. Would you rather have chocolate candy, gummy candy, sour candy, or open the mystery gift? It's a candy that changes flavor every bite. Would you rather be a wizard, be a pirate, or open the mystery gift? It's a hat that makes you 1% smarter. Would you rather have a movie night, a game night, or open the mystery gift? It's a popcorn machine that never turns off. Would you rather live in a castle, live in a treehouse, live underwater, or open the mystery gift? It's a castle made entirely of cardboard. Would you rather ride a magic carpet, ride a dragon, or open the mystery gift? It's a flying carpet that only goes in circles. Would you rather have a pool party, a pizza party, a movie party, or open the mystery gift? It's a party horn that never runs out of air. Would you rather ride a roller coaster, go through a haunted house, ride the Ferris wheel, or open the mystery gift? It's a Ferris wheel for your hamster. Would you rather only listen to pop music, only rock music, or open the mystery gift? It's a karaoke mic that only sings one song. Would you rather be an astronaut, a doctor, an artist, or open the mystery gift? It's a lab coat with extra pockets. Would you rather have a beach vacation, a mountain vacation, or open the mystery gift? It's a beach ball that never deflates.